Diabetes ketone. This condition occurs usually in type 1 diabetics or even in type 2 who are insulin dependent or with very elevated blood sugars. Ketones are acidic in nature. Its presence in the body can be a serious condition. This condition usually occurs when there is an absolute deficiency of insulin in the body and very high blood sugars. Type 1 patients, we advise to check urine ketones when the blood sugar is more than 300, whereas in type 2 diabetes, it is advised to check urine ketones when your sugars are 400 plus. The usual symptom to assess that there is a ketone presence in the body is weakness and rapid pulse, dry tongue or skin, flattened neck veins, hypotension. Even the diabetes blood symptoms also can be seen, which is polyuria, polydipsia, polyphagia, tiredness, muscle cramps, flushed facial appearance, nausea and vomiting. Even diffused abdominal pain is also seen with generalized weakness and fatigability. How we can check this condition at home itself? With the support of keto diastics. These strips are available in the market and very simple to use. They come in this kind of thing. You take some urine in the container and you just dip the strip into the urine sample for a few seconds. Close the bottle immediately so the air moisture should not go in, and you dip in the urine for a few seconds. After few seconds, you just take it out and you can do the color matching from here. So this indicates negative ketones, which is a safe condition. As a science advancing, nowadays we have got the glucometers also, which can check your blood ketones. In the blood, there is only beta ketones which are present, and there is a range advice for the test. There is, if your beta ketones in the blood is less than 0.6 millimole per liter, this is a safe range. You can correct it at home with the support of lot of fluids and correcting it with the extra insulin dosage. Whereas if your beta ketones are present from 0.6 to 1.5 reading, this can be needing the medical help or a medical support. So you must speak to the healthcare provider regarding this. Whereas if beta ketones are more than 1.5 millimole, this is a serious condition. Patient can reach to coma condition. So during this condition, definitely immediately hospitalization is required.